Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So this is a part 2 of the Pac Man game series. Today we will write the code for the Pac Man animation. So let's start. First we will go to events and drag the when the green flag click button, the when green flag click block. Then we will go to control and drag the forever loop. I will zoom it if you guys can see. Yeah, I hope you guys can see it now. Now we'll go to looks and drag switch costume to Pac Man closed. Then we'll go to control, drag wait 0.5 seconds. Then we will go to looks again and drag switch costume to Pac Man open. Then we will go to control again and drag wait 0.5 seconds. So let's see if it works, the animation works. Yes, so it's working. It's perfect. But the Pac-Man is too big. In the real game, it's a bit small, right? So we'll select the size and do it 40. So now it's perfect. I hope you guys liked my video. If you liked it, give me a big thumbs up. Thank you, support, like and subscribe. Bye.